Without any delays.
Okay, here's my Admiral 71T10E, made in 1947-1948. Picked it up at a antique fair last summer and finally had a chance to recap it, clean it all up. Plays really well.
Tomorrow, high 55 degrees. Right now, 51 and raining in Romeo. It is 54 and cloudy at Detroit Metro Airport.
It does. We've seen it in other countries. We've seen it in our own country.
This as President Trump issued a dire prediction about the coming few days.
This will be probably the toughest week between this week and next week. Then there'll be a lot of death, unfortunately, but a lot less death than if...
Put a reproduction dial cover on the dial. The other one had shrunk and it was all yellow and looked bad. This looks much better.